And the stock cams too.
Okay, so this has stock 17 cams in it.
And
And they bolt right in.
oh yeah.
How interesting. Alright, how fast we got? I know you got your little indicator.
I think the cheater says I did 190 today.
190?
Yeah.
Fuck, where?
Down here.
Yeah,
So I reset it.
So do you just-
175.
So is it when you see
Obviously,
God you
that's
start
just
braking, or what point?
I start using Jesus as my braking marker.
That's good.
There.
Straight lines,
That's my little
Autopilot.
cheater.
Is that the new one? The
Let's
RR,
make sure it
the
is.
R? However many R's there?
On a cold day, I've done 194 down this straight. It
That's
likes
the
cold
funniest
air.
thing is the fastest I've ever been on, I've ever heard on this track was an H2. 194.